Welcome to Microsoft's technical analysis. Microsoft bounced against the prevailing downtrend. Watch for rejection at resistance. The stock gained 0.9% today, and the 30-day trend suggests a downtrend. The price is showing strength on longer timeframes, but recent weakness below EMA 9 could point to short-term selling pressure or consolidation. A potential midterm resistance is seen around $538.25, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $555.45, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond midterm resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $567.54, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $453.69 and $456.12, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 10.5% from current levels before rebounding. Recent weakness under EMA 9 and the trendline suggests short-term hesitation despite long-term support. Momentum is fading, MACD and RSI signal weakness. A similar MACD cycle from April 24 to May 23 led to a price increase of approximately 16.2%. Long-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. After approaching the prior swing high, the next upside marker is the 1.618 extension around 512.40. Short-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is normal based on ATR, while trading volume is normal compared to recent averages. The RSI is below its smoothed version. Current RSI is 45.9, while smoothed RSI is 50.1. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Microsoft, scored 3 out of 10, a weak setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is below all EMAs, downward pressure remains. Closest EMA is EMA 9 at $509, currently acting as resistance. A midterm target stands near $538, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $568. Between midterm and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $555. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $448, acting as support. With price above the previous major high, the next Fibonacci extension to watch is $512, Fib 1.618. Breakdown below regression channel, target is around $488. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Microsoft. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.